This is Mamutasan Mehraj. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we are going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the isometric view, this is the top view, this is the front view, and this is the right side view. First of all, I will start drawing from the right side view. In the right side view, I will draw this circle, and this circle has a diameter of 22 unit. And after drawing this circle, I will extrude boss it to 28 unit. So let's start. So select the right plane. Now sketch. Now select circle. Place the circle to the origin. Now dimension it to 22 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 28 unit. Now select from mid plane. Now press OK. After that, I will draw in the front plane. In the front plane, I will draw this portion. And if we see, this portion has an inclined line like here and here, and it has a angle of 15.35 degree. So if I zoom it, okay. So first of all, from here I will draw a line, horizontal line, and this horizontal line will be 19 divided by 2 unit, and from that line I will draw a inclined line, and this inclined line will be 23 minus 22 divided by 2, so it will be 23 minus 11, so it will be, this dimension will be 12 unit, and from the 12 unit I will draw an angle, and this angle is 90 minus 15.35 divided by 2 unit, and then I will draw another incline here, then I will state the incline line here, because you can see this line has extend part like here, and from that I will then close the shape like this way, then I will revolve boss it. Okay, so for doing this I'm selecting the front plane. Now sketch. Now normal to it, and from here select a line and place the line here, and now draw a line of 19 divided by 2 unit, and from that line draw an inclined line, and now select the smart dimension option. Now dimension this inclined line to 23 minus 22 divided by 2 unit, so it will be 12 unit. Now the angle for this angle will be 90 minus 15.35 divided by 2 unit. Okay, so after drawing this angle, now select this line, now place line here and draw another inclined line, because we want to extend this line. So after drawing this inclined line, select this line and select the previous line and make those line to parallel. Now press OK. So again select this point and select the origin, and this point. Now make it horizontal. Now press OK. Now select the line tool. Now it's time for closing the shape. So draw a horizontal line to the origin. Now draw a vertical line of 23 unit. Now close the shape. Now select the trim interface. So trim this middle line. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now evolve boss, and for axis of revolution select this line. Now press OK. After that, now we will draw in the right plane. In the right plane, first I will draw a circular profile, and this circular profile has a radius of 8 unit, and then I will convert into this circle, and after converting this circle I will draw an incline line here, then I will tangent this line and this portion, then I will mirror this other part, then I will trim the unnecessary part, then I will extrude boss, and I will extrude boss this to 20 unit. Okay, so I am selecting the right plane again. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select a circle and place the circle here, and now dimension it to 8 radius. Now select smart dimension. Now select this circle and this the previous one, and the distance will be between them will be 20 unit, because you can see here the distance is 20 unit. After that, now press OK. Now select this previous circle. Now convert into this it. Okay, we got two circle. Now it's time for the tangent line. For the tangent line, I'll first draw a incline line, and from this incline line, select this incline. So first of all, I need to fix this circle. So I'm selecting the origin and select this circle, and now uh, fix it. Okay, so it is showing the over dimension, so you can remove one dimension. uh, okay, I'm removing the one dimension, but it is showing the over dimension. Okay, now select this line and select this circle. Now select tangent. Now press OK. Again select this line and select this circle, and now select the tangent. Now press OK. You can delete this dimension, it won't okay, now it isn't showing the over dimension sign. Okay, now it's time for select the center line option and draw a center line here. Okay, we have drawn this center line because we want to mirror this inclined line. So I am selecting the mirror entities, and entities to mirror, select this inclined line and mirror about this line. Now press OK. Now select the trim option and trim the all the unnecessary line that we don't need. So trimming the all the unnecessary line. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 20 unit. After extrude bossing it to 20 unit, select the mid plane. Now press OK. Now it's time for to extrude cut this portion. For extrude cutting this portion, first I will draw a center line here in here, and this center line will be 16.35 unit. Then I will draw a offset of 3 unit here and another offset of 3 unit here. Then I will close the shape and I will extrude cut it. So I am selecting the top plane. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select the center line. Now place the center line to the middle. Now draw a vertical line, and this vertical line will be 16.35 unit. After drawing this vertical line, go to offset entities, and dimension will be 6 divided by 2 units, so it will be 3 unit. Now select this line and select bidirectional, cap in and line. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and extrude cut, and after that select the through all both. Now press OK. Now in our case, we can see we have a extrude cut here, and this extrude cut circle has a dimension of 12 diameter. So I am selecting this face. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select the circle and place the circle here, and now dimension it to 12 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now select through all both. Now press OK. Now again we can see we have another extrude cut hole here, and this circular profile has a diameter of 8 unit. So I'm selecting this face. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select a circle, and if you hover this mouse in this circle profile, you can see the origin, the center line. Now from this center line, draw a 8 diameter circle. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now select extrude cut through all both. Now press OK. Now in the top view, we can see we have another extrude cut circle, and this extrude cut circle has a diameter of 9 unit, and it is extrude cutted from here to here. So if we cut through this center line, it will be enough. So I'm selecting this surface. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select a circle. Now place the circle to here. Now dimension it to 9 diameter. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now it's the extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to I will extrude cut it to 23 unit. Okay, because it will be enough if we extrude cut it to 23 unit. You can see this. Okay, now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now it's time for filleting, and all the fillet we can see here. We can see we have a fillet here, and these two fillet are radius of 3 unit, and we can see in the top surface here we have another fillet of 3 unit. So I will first delete that. So select the fillet unit and fillet option. Now dimension it to here to 3 unit. Now select this line and rotate it and select this another side. Now select this top side, and you can see if we want to select this line, we cannot select this line even though we have fillet is here. So I'm selected OK, fillet. Now it's time for filleting this side, and this fillet is 3 unit. If we want to do the fillet before, we won't gonna do that. So as you can see, we have now wider space, so we can do the fillet now. So I am selecting the fillet option again. Now select the 3 unit again. Now select this line and it will automatically fillet. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Okay, so as you can see, we have done our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.